Hello, today we'll start with the word problems. So I'm taking exercise first D. So the first question, Ajay cut a 19 3.5 meter long rope. So we are having one rope, its total length is 19 3.5 meters. So a rope we are having, its total length is 19 3.5 meters. So Ajay cut 19 3.5 meters rope into two pieces. Two pieces of length, one, second piece of this one. So one length is 3 1/4, other length is 8 1/2, and the remaining length we have to find. So total length of 19 3.5 meter. One piece is of 3 1/4 meters. Then second piece is of 8 1/2 meters. Third piece we have to find. Find the length of the remaining rope we have to find. So pause the video and try to solve it yourself. And now, so I will be solving it now. So for example, total length is given this one. Let this length be x. Let the remaining, let the length of remaining rope equal to x. We have taken it as x meters. So 3 1/4 meter plus 8 1/2 meter plus x meter equal to 90 3.5 meter. This is here. For the time being, we can avoid meters. We can omit the meters. 3 1/4 plus 8 1/2 plus x plus 90 3.5. So we have to find equal to 19 3.5. This x we have to calculate. So I'll be telling here two methods. First method, by converting each into improper fractions. The mixed fraction to be converted into improper fractions. The second method, we will proceed with the mixed fraction. The second method is easy. So first method, convert it into improper fraction. 3 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13/4. This can be written as 13/4. Next one, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17/2 plus x equal to 19 5s are 5 into 19, it is 95 plus 3 98/5. Now add these two. Take the LCM. LCM will be 4. Here will be 13 plus 2. 2s are 4. So 17 2s are 34 plus x equal to 98/5. Here it will be 47/4 plus x equal to 98/5. X equal to 98/5. Take it on RHS. It will be minus 47/4. Now take the LCM, it will be 20. 5 4s are 20. 98 4s are 392 minus 4 5s are 20. 47 5s are 235. If we subtract, it comes out to be 751 upon 20. Convert back into mixed fraction, it will be 17/20. 17/20. 140, that is 7. And this x is in meters. So length of the remaining rope equal to 17/20 meters. Now I'll be solving with second method. So the given question is given expression is 3 1/4 plus 8 1/2 plus x equal to 19 3/5. We have studied in mixed fraction, for example, a b by c is there. It is written as, it can be written as a plus b by c. So here we will be writing 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 8 plus 1 by 2 plus x equal to 19 plus 3 upon 5. Now 3 plus 8, 11 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus x equal to 19 plus 3 upon 5. 11 plus, take the LCM, 4 will be the LCM, 1 plus 2 plus x equal to 19 plus 3 upon 5. 11 plus 3 upon 4 plus x equal to 19 plus 3 upon 5. If we take these two numbers on this side, they will be subtracted. So x equal to 19 plus 3 upon 5 minus 11 minus 3 upon 4. 19 minus 11, 8 we get, plus 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 4. This we have to solve. Here you can take 3 outside and then in bracket 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4 as well you can do, or we can proceed as such. 8 plus 5, take the LCM, 20. Now 20 is the LCM, 5 4 is the 20, 3 5 is the 15. 5 4 is the 20, 3 4 is the 12. It will be 12. 4 5 is the 20, 3 5 is the 15. So x equal to 8 plus minus 3 upon 20. Now again you can do, either take the LCM, 20, it will be 160 minus 3, it comes out to be 157 upon 20, and it comes out to be 17 upon 20. We are getting the same number. This is this much meters. So either you can follow first method or second method. Here I will prefer second method. Now the second question. A metallic container full of wheat. So we are having metallic container as well as wheat. It is full of wheat. Both are weighing how much? Weight is 27 1 upon 7 1 upon 5 kg. It weighs, so mass of these both is 27 1 upon 5 kg. So wheat plus the container, its weight is 27 1 upon 5 kg. Now it is given empty container. Empty container weighs 8 1 by 4 kg. So we have to find the weight of wheat. Its weight we have to find. So how we can find? Empty container weight plus weight of wheat will give us this total weight. So let the weight of wheat equal to x kg. Now weight of empty container plus weight of wheat will be this total weight. So 8 1 by 4 plus x equal to 27 1 upon 5. So either you can proceed by the first method or the second method. I will prefer your second method. So x equal to 27 plus 1 upon 5. Here I can write 8 plus 1 by 4. So now plus x. So x equal to, take them on RHS, they will become minus x equal to 27 plus 1 by 5 minus 8 minus 1 by 4. X equal to 27 minus 8, 19 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4. X equal to 19 plus, take the LCM, it will be 20. Here it will be 4 minus 5. X equal to 19 plus minus 1 upon 20. X equal to, take the LCM, it will be 20. 19 to the 38. 380 minus 1. So x comes out to be 379 upon 20. Now convert it into mixed fraction. So x equal to 19 plus minus 1 upon 20. X equal to 380 minus 1 upon 20. We took the LCM. This equal to 379 upon 20. Now we convert it into mixed fraction. So 20 multiplies 360. 360. So we can write 18. 18 into 20 is 360. Remaining is 19 upon 20 kg. So this is the weight of wheat. This is the weight of wheat. Now I'll be starting third one. Third one, a bag contains 3 1 by 5 kg of apples. 3 1 by 5 kg of apples. 6 1 by 2 kg of oranges. And it contains 7 3 by 10 kg of grapes. And the remaining are mangoes. So some mangoes are there, let it be x kg. So let the weight of mangoes be x kgs, and we have to find, and the total weight is given. Total weight equal to 25 1 upon 10 kg, and we have to find the weight of mangoes. So this plus this plus this plus this will be this total weight. So we can write 3 1 upon 5 plus 6 1 upon 2 plus 7 3 upon 10 plus x equal to 25 1 upon 10. So I will be using second method. So 3 plus 1 upon 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 2 plus 7 plus 3 upon 10 plus x equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10. So 3 plus 6 plus 7. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 10 plus x equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10. So 16 plus, now take the LCM, 10 is the LCM. So here we'll be writing 2. 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus x equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10. 16 plus 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 upon 10 plus x equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10. Now it will be 1, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus x equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10. X equal to 25 plus 1 upon 10 plus, here will be minus 17. Now x will be 25 minus 17, 8. 8 plus 1 upon 10, or we can write it as 8 1 by 10 kg. So weight of mangoes equal to 8 1 by 10 kgs. So weight of mangoes in bag equal to 8 1 by 10 kg. Now we'll be solving fourth one. So here one day cobbler earned, so total money earned by cobbler, total money earned equal to rupees 140 1 by 4. He spent on his breakfast, so money spent on breakfast equal to rupees 16 1 by 5, and money spent on lunch. He spent money on lunch, how much? Rupees 35 1 by 2, and the remaining money, and gave some money to wife. So money given to wife. How much given? 85 1 upon 4. Rupees 85 1 upon 4. Now we have to find the remaining money. Let the remaining money be x. let the remaining money equal to rupees X. So total money earned is this much. So this much money he spent on breakfast, this much on lunch, and this much he gave to the wife. So what is the remaining money with him? So we can write 16 1 by 5. This is the breakfast money. 35 1 upon 2 plus 85 1 upon 4 plus X. 16 1 upon 5 plus 35 1 upon 2 plus 85 1 upon 4 plus X. This is equal to the total money, 140 1 by 4. So what we can write? 16 plus 1 upon 5 plus 35 plus 1 by 2 plus 85 plus 1 by 4 plus X equal to 140 plus 1 by 4. Now add them. 16 plus 35 plus 85. 16 plus 35 plus 85. It comes out to be 136 plus remaining is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus X equal to 140 plus 1 by 4. 136 plus, now take the LCM, it will be 20 LCM. 5 4s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are, so here will be 5 plus X equal to 140 plus 1 by 4. 136 plus, it will be 19 upon 20 plus X equal to 140 plus 1 upon 4. Now we can take these two on RHS. X equal to 140 plus 1 upon 4 minus 136 minus 19 upon 20. X equal to 140 minus 136, it will be 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 19 upon 20, or we can write 4 1 by 4 minus 19 upon 20. We can write X equal to 4 4 is 16, 17 upon 4 minus 19 upon 20. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 20. 4 5s are 20, 17 5s are 85 minus 19. X comes out to be 66 divided by 20. Or we can simplify it as well. Divided by 2, it will be 33 upon 10. Or we can write 3 upon 10 rupees. So remaining rupees equal to 3 upon 10